want to specify a location for your matches, here's how to add a location on Tinder. First, open the Tinder app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then here you can see settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on it to go to settings. Scroll down to location and tap on it. Now tap on add a new location. If you have Tinder Plus or Gold, you can enter a specific location manually. Simply type in the city or region you want to add and Tinder will update your profile's location to that area. If you are on the free version, Tinder will use your phone's GPS to update your location automatically. If your location does not update, make sure your location services are enabled and that Tinder has permissions to access your location. And that's it. Your Tinder location is now set. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.